Casper holders, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today guys, Casper is trading at 7 cents, and I told you guys many times, since Casper is super undervalued, I am taking this as a huge opportunity to buy more Casper, to simply load up on Casper, guys, as I've been telling you guys many times as of right now. Okay, and for the past few weeks and months, my main focus has been stacking and loading up as much Casper as I possibly can, because you guys need to understand this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity right now for Casper, right? It's trading at 7 cents. It's below 10 cents. It's below 20 cents from its previous highs. Understand, guys, Casper's going to have a breakout. Okay, we're going to see Casper having a breakout. It's eventually going to go back up to 20 cents, right? Its previous highs. And it's not going to stop there. It's going to be reaching new all-time highs, guys. And we know Casper will eventually one day will be in the dollar ranges, meaning yes, we will see Casper reaching $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, and beyond. Okay, of course, I'm talking long-term here, right? So understand, guys, once we do see Casper having a breakout and then eventually going back up to its previous size of 20 cents, even reaching new record highs, whether it's 40 cents, right, 50 cents, okay, 65 cents, 80 cents to $1 and beyond, we may not ever see Casper at this price level of 7 cents, below 10 cents ever again in Casper history. That's why I truly do believe personally, and you guys, may not, agree with me on this one, but that's why personally I am stacking as much Casper as I possibly can right now, since it is super undervalued. And I really do believe one day, once we do see a run up happening for Casper, we're not going to see it at 7 cents. You guys need to understand, this is truly a blessing. It really is. This is just how I see it, right? It really is a gift, a blessing, okay, for this very moment right now for Casper, to buy it at 7 cents, to load up on Casper. Man, if you guys have not been studying Casper, okay, please do study Casper, understand what Casper is, okay, the technology behind it, okay, how it works and whatnot, the block DAG. And once you fully understand what Casper truly is, I truly do believe you will be bullish in Casper, not just for short term, but long term. You would actually realize that Casper is going to be, the next big thing. Right? I'm not saying it's going to be, the next Bitcoin. I'm not saying Casper's going to be reaching, tens and thousands of dollars like Bitcoin, but understand the technology is there for Casper. Okay, Bitcoin does have problems and Casper solves it. Okay, it's not just Bitcoin, it's other proof of work, projects out there in the crypto space as well, guys. Okay, there's other, proof of work cryptos out there that have problems, and Casper solves it, majority of it. And that's why I am very bullish on Casper, guys. So looking at the Casper price right now, guys, man, you guys can just clearly see, okay, it is dropping today. And that being said, as I told you guys many times, okay, if I do see Casper dropping, continuing to drop, I'm going to buy. And as I told you guys many times, I really do believe this is the bottom for Casper. If this is not the bottom for Casper, if 7 cents is not the bottom for Casper, then I actually do believe it is near the bottom. Because like I said, even in yesterday's video, there is potential that Casper can drop lower, back down to maybe 6 cents, okay, below 7 cents. That is possible. So understand, guys, this may be the bottom for Casper as of right now, during this time, okay? In my opinion, I think this is the bottom for Casper, okay, or potentially near its bottom, okay? If it does go to 6 cents, you bet I'm going to buy more, okay? And that's exactly what I'm going to do. But you guys clearly see Casper today, right, earlier this morning, it actually did go up to about 0.077. And right now, Casper's currently sitting at 0.073. It has dropped today, guys. Okay, you guys clearly see it is down over 2% today. So I think this is a great opportunity to buy Casper. So if we look over here, guys, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, just look at this. This is a great time to buy Casper. Okay, you guys clearly see that, right? Back in September, early of September, we saw that liquidation event, okay, the biggest liquidation event happening for Casper, and it went as low as 0.073 or 0.072, somewhere around there. And that's exactly where Casper is right now. It is back down at this level. So I think this is a great opportunity to load up on Casper. Buying some Casper at 0.073 is truly a blessing. So it is dropping today. Okay, you can clearly see that it's down over 2% for the week. Look at this, right? It is down 8%. Okay, it is down 8%, guys. Okay, and for the month, it is down 10%, over 10%. This is such a great time, okay, to load up on Casper. And you guys need to understand, this is such a great time to, buy Casper, okay, simply because not just price, really, okay, like it is price, but there's also other reasons as well, guys, okay? And I've been mentioning this for quite some time now, right? So I've been reading my YouTube comments, okay, and I'm posting on X, and a fair few people are slowly losing faith for Casper. I realize that people in the Casper community who were once bullish on Casper are now slowly losing faith for Casper and just turning bearish. Okay, that they are just, really, really impatient, and they are slowly losing faith into this project. Okay, and they are simply selling the Casper and moving on to other, coins. Right, that's mostly what I'm reading. So you guys need to understand, a lot of people are fearful right now for Casper. So remember, when others are fearful, we got to be greedy and buy. While others are panic selling, we want to panic buy. This is the best time to buy because there is, I want to say, a lot of fear in Casper right now. A lot of people are just simply losing faith, very, very impatient for Casper. Okay, so while others are fearful, we got to be greedy and buy. This is the best time to load up on Casper, guys. Okay, it really, really is. And of course, this is not financial advice, guys. Okay, none of my videos is financial advice. Okay, so always do your own research. But looking at this, right, the Casper monthly returns, okay, yes, clearly see in August it was in the reds, it was down 5%. Last month in September it was down over 10%, 10.5%, and so far for October it is down over 2%. Okay, just over 2%. So man, Casper has been dropping. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Okay, Q4 right now, it is in fact in the reds. And yeah, in Q3, okay, it was a really, really bumpy road in Q3, even though July it was up, 17.2%, but August and September were in fact in the reds. But you guys need to understand, I don't mind the price, okay, of Casper being below, 10 cents. Okay, like really, like this is what I said over here, guys. Okay, so I posted this yesterday on X saying, to be honest, I'm loving the Casper price lately at 7 cents. Gives me so much time to load up heavy. Anyone else feeling the same way, or is it just me? Because yeah, I really do believe like this is such a blessing, guys. It's a gift to load up heavy on Casper right now at 7 cents. It is super, super cheap. And when I posted this, look, right, Casper was trading at 0.075 right now. Okay, it's currently at 0.073, so it's even lower. And that's why today I'm going to take this as an opportunity to load up more Casper. Okay, but yeah, look at the market cap. Okay, it's been a while since we have seen the market cap for Casper below 2 billion. So yes, clearly see today it has dropped since the Casper price has in fact been dropping. Of course, the market cap is going to drop as well. So the market cap for Casper right now is below 2 billion. Okay, it's been holding up above 2 billion for some time now, but today it has dropped below that. Okay, so yeah, this is really a great time to buy Casper, guys. Okay, it really, really is. As I've been showing you guys many, many times on the weekly time frame, Casper's on this downtrend, right? Clearly, okay, this is a beautiful downtrend. You guys can clearly see that from its previous size of 20 cents to where we are right now. Currently, we're on this downtrend, and I told you guys many times, okay, eventually Casper's going to break out from this downtrend. It's going to break out of this resistance, resistance line. Okay, and I do believe a breakout will happen. And once that breakout happens, yes, we're going to see Casper going back up to 8 cents to 10 cents and back up to its previous highs of 20 cents. Okay, that is very, very possible, guys. So that's why I am trying my best right now to load up as much as I possibly can right down over here. Because like I said, this is pretty much the bottom or near its bottom. Like I said, we can see Casper going lower to 6 cents. And you guys need to understand, I am not stressing about the price at all for Casper. Okay, I really, really am not, guys, because this is such a blessing. Like I said, I am trying my best right now to load up on Casper. So I really do not mind if the price stays below 10 cents in the next upcoming few weeks. I really do not mind. And honestly with you guys, right, to be honest with you guys, I don't want the Casper price to jump just yet. I don't want it to jump back up to 20 cents and then reaching new heights just yet, because I am taking my time right now to load up as much as I possibly can. It gives us so much time, guys, to buy Casper. Okay, like if you truly understand where this project is heading, right? Long term, not short term, but long term, you will be loading up as much as you possibly can. Like you'll be looking at the price and you'll just realize like this is such a gift. Like you cannot believe that Casper right now is trading at 7 cents. It's still below 10 cents. This is truly a gift, guys. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to go ahead and invest more into Casper today. So today I'll be investing $2,500, okay, which will give me over 21,000 Casper, which is amazing. Okay, that's actually amazing. So we're going to confirm buy. And there we have it, guys. Okay, today I just invested more into Casper. I bought it at 0.073. So like I said, guys, okay, if I do see Casper dropping further down to the downside, I'm going to buy more. Okay, and that's exactly what I did today. So I hope you guys are staying patient for Casper and still loading up for Casper. This is truly the best time to do that. And like I said, guys, right, if I do see Casper, dropping down to, 6 cents, below 7 cents, you bet I'm going to buy more, because I think it is very, very possible that we do see that happening for Casper, right? Like it is not too far off from going back down to the 6 cent levels. Okay, it really, really isn't, right? It's like not too far off. So it is possible, okay? And if I do see Casper dropping below 7 cents, like going below 7 cents back down to 6 cents, I'm going to buy more, 100%, guys, okay? So there you guys have it. Today, I invested more into Casper, okay? And I hope you guys are still dollar cost averaging, right? DCAing into Casper as well, because this is truly the best time to do that, guys, okay? Casper is trading at 7 cents. I'm buying more, and I hope you guys are as well. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is always much appreciated. I appreciate all you guys. I truly do. Keep up with the support, okay? I see who you guys are because I read the comments. I truly do appreciate every single one of you guys, truly. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.